Mercedes GLE is protected with a Ghost Immobiliser, so even if we get in with the key, try and steal the vehicle, we start it up and it immediately switches off. It's going nowhere. If we watch the rev counter this time, so you can see, start it up, it immediately switches itself off. So how you drive this, you keep your foot off the brake pedal, you turn the ignition on, so sometimes it's a double tap until you get all your lights on, which means your ignition's on. We have a simple code for the video of 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch down here, we're going to get a double flash from the full beam, and now we can put our foot on the brake, press the start button, and the vehicle fires into life. We're good to go. This self-activates, so when you pull up at home, turn the car off, you know it's protected. You don't need to worry about someone grabbing your key straight away, trying to steal your car. It's armed instantly. So once again, foot off the brake with the Ghost, we pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, but this can be unique to you, whatever you want. Wait for a double flash, and now foot on the brake, press the start button, it fires into life, and you're good to drive away. To get one of these fitted, you can visit our website at immobiliserfit.com or give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This customer's opted for the Ghost 2 and Tracker with a year subscription package that we do, so their vehicle's protected, and if anyone else borrows it, they give them the code, they're going to be able to see where the vehicle is. Our number's 0208 212 7393. You can also book online at immobiliserfit.com to secure your vehicle. This is a Mercedes GLE protected with a Ghost 2 and a Tracker with a year subscription.